come look what Daddy got you for your birthday.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. Come look at all these boxes. Baby. Look at this. What's this? What is all that? Are you going to open it? Are you going to open the boxes? Come on, let's go get a knife. Aki, what's in the boxes? What's in the boxes? What's in here? What's in these? To Rockland Howard. Who is it from? Who is it from? Let Mommy help. What's it? What is it? This is really hard to cut open and film you at the same time. Ah. Okay, what's in there? What is it? What does this say? Oh, this is from Grammy. What's in there? What's from Grammy? Oh, they're little bugs. I've seen these on TV. Whoa, Rocky, can you say thank you? What's in Daddy's box? What's in here? Oh, what is it? Oh, let me cut it open, baby. You can't open it yourself. Okay. You gonna do it? You gonna open it? Do you want me to help? No? You Mr. Independent?
Okay.
Could Mommy help? Let Mommy help really quick. I want to see what's in here. Ah, you see the bugs? Ah, come on. Almost done, baby. Okay. Ah, there we go. What's in there? What is that? What Daddy get you? Oh, that's what's in the box. You want me to open it? You want me to help? Yeah, right here. Waiting so patiently. Get the camera down for 1 second. There. Ooh, what is that? Is that your first baby? Beanie Baby? Can you say thank you, Daddy? Say Daddy. Thank you.
Oh, here.
It's your birthday present from Daddy.
Oh, Daddy.
Yeah. Do you want Daddy to have this one? That's so cute. What is that?
This is the owl.
Is that a little girl? What's her name? Her name is Fufa. Wow, what is that? Give it a kiss. Oh, give it a hug. Oh, you're so sweet.
Oh, cookies.
Okay, thank you.
Chicken.
What's that?
Oh, it's chicken.
Which one's your favorite one?
Baby.
That one? That's a robot. What's the robot's name? Can I see the robot's name? Plex.
Okay. Bye.
Yeah, that's his name, Plex. What's his own name? This one's name is... Oh, or not. Yeah, this one's name? This one's name is... Oh, it's so hard to get open. This one's name is... Tootie, I think. How you'd say it. Rocky, can you give Daddy a kiss? Oh, you're so sweet. Say thank you.
Thank you.
How old are you? How old are you, Rocky? Say 2?
2.
No, 2.
2.
That's 4, Rocky. Love you. Say love you.